Hey people, so we are part of this. We are here at Buffalo Wild Wings, and this is at the Aeroplaza, as you can see. And there are these different. You see, there is a match on, and it's pretty noisy. The Sip of Sky looks like a nice place to barley and grape bar. So Ayush, what is your opinion of this place? We've ordered for some French fries, which will be coming shortly, and it's a cute place overall. So Ayush, what is your opinion of Buffalo Wild Wings?
And it goes for 24/7, so that's what
Yeah, this place is open 24/7, but I'll be honest, it is on the expensive side. So like for instance, okay, this paneer sizzlers for 6.95, but overall, probably a meal for two would easily be around $2,000. So yeah, from an experience point of view, this is nice. It's good to take a look at these different places, really.